2003 Toyota Camry, and this should work from 02 to 06, 07. I got the, we're talking about the sunroof here. I've disconnected the battery and reconnected the battery, and then the sunroof only tends to work when you push and hold the button when you do that, and that's not quite how it's supposed to work. So I'm going to show you how to sort of reset, recalibrate the sunroof. This has happened to me before. So you're going to start basically by, of course, putting the key in the ignition, turning it forward. And I'm not going to do it, but I'm going to tell you how to do it. You're going to push on here, there's tilt up and there's slide open. You're going to push and hold tilt up until it tilts up. And you're going to let go. Now it's open. And then you're going to push tilt up again. Only this time you're just going to hold it until you hear a click. And it'll kind of go click. And once it goes click, you can let go of the button. Now, if I push it and let go real quick, it'll go ahead and close it the way it's supposed to. Well, I made a liar out of it. You got to push and hold it, and then it closes it. And then you can go ahead and push and hold and let go, and now it works again. So the whole trick, just to sort of rephrase it, because I sort of messed up in the middle of it, is when it's in its closed position, push tilt up, let it tilt up, let go, push and hold it again until you hear a click, and then it kind of clicks, and it's still up, right? Then you can go ahead and open it up all the way, and then it'll start working again. It only seems to really do it when, well, for me, when I disconnect the battery to work on the car, and then reconnect it. So hope that helps somebody out there. Now instead of pushing and holding it, you can just, well, you got to push it longer than I did. And then it closes, and now it's back to normal. And you can push it again, let go, tilts up, push it again, let go, and it closes. Push it again and it opens, you know, it's back to normal now. Yeah!